Good morning, everyone, or evening. It's morning for me. I'm finally feeling a little bit better, so I thought I would make a video. I made this. It's gonna be a little card. It's for a pen pal that I'm making it for. It's got this little present. I used stickles here, and then here I used my Nuvo drops, but I think they turned out so cute. So this is the stickles. Oops, bumping y'all. And then if you can see on the little feet and the nose, the feet was the Nuvo, and then for the nose, I used the glossy accents. Excuse me. I'm still not all the way better. Anyhow, so I did that with both of those. So it's got 3 little pockets. So it's got the little pockets here, and then it's got this pocket, and then it's got a pocket behind here. So I thought that was super cute. Anyhow, let's get to why I'm actually doing this video. I got a whole bunch of mail. Now I've opened them, I just haven't looked at them. And this is my jasmine tea, because like I said, I'm not feeling good. So let's start with this. This come from, oh wow, this come from Canada, from Rebecca. So if Rebecca is watching, awesome. She is in a group that I belong to on Facebook, and it's an awesome group. If you like to do pen pals and get to know other people on a more personal level, yeah, it's a lot of fun. Look how cute! Oh, it's a magnet. I love that. Oh, that is so adorable. And then it looks, Canada. Right on. I think that's one of those bracelet things, yeah? Cute. The 80s, totally awesome, definitely. I was a bit too young in the 80s to really appreciate, but I loved the music. I could totally use this. I love it. Yeah, totally. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so this is, okay, so it was the angel snack. Oh, so she put little goodies in here besides the snack. Okay, awesome. Aw. Rebecca, you are a sweetheart if you are watching. So, let's see, what is this? Carrot cake, Duncan Hines, perfect size for 1. Okay. Oh, it's a Michael. I will have to make this for my kiddo. I don't eat stuff like this. But I bet my kiddo would like this. I'll have to try that. Oh, what is that? Another thing my kiddo will absolutely love. Chocolate. She loves chocolate. Quaker dips. Cool. Alright, awesome. My daughter is going to love these for sure. So yes, Rebecca, thank you if you are watching. How awesome. Okay. This one come from Amazon. I don't know if it was off my list or not. Oh, yes. So I was supposed to get everything all in one big thing, but apparently not. Apparently I'm gonna get it in a bunch of little ones. Alright. Oh, they gave me some stickers. I don't know who they are. Who are these? It just says stickers, made in China. You know, they kind of remind me of, what was that cartoon where the cars and the planes and that were like, I don't know, like the main things they raced in that. I don't remember. If you guys remember the cartoon, let me know down below. But it kind of reminds me of that. But they're like bowed. Or maybe, it says stickers though. Huh. Okay, it's just thanking me. Okay, so this is what I got. It is washi tape. But it's in like ribbon. I want to open one up so I can show you. Doesn't look like there's a lot on here though. Okay, so yeah, there's not very much. Oh wow, that is like very... Okay, so it's not what I thought it was. I thought it was gonna be like material, but it's like a plastic, but that's alright. So you got some black, pink, white, purple, and then blue and yellow. Very pretty. I like the design on them. Set those to the side. And then we got this one. This one is from Angelica from California. Oh, it's just a... Okay. So she is another one from a part of the group that I'm in. And this was Wish Something Homemade. So one of my things, because you can put down like up to 7 wishes, and one of them was for something homemade. So here we go. That is a cute idea. Oh my gosh, it's a bookmark. And look at that. The Hocus Pocus. It's got, what do you call it? Like it's a shaker. That is super cute. My daughter is gonna love this. She loves Halloween. And she loves to read. And, ooh, spider. Yes, she loves those too. Oh, that is awesome. That is so cool. Okay, well, that now. Here's one I did get, and I had already opened it up, but I want to show you guys what I got. So I got that one right there. I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm going to have to try. I just haven't felt good. So we'll see. And it comes with a stand right here. And that's pretty sturdy, so we'll have to definitely check it out. But, so that come in the mail as well. And then Pam sent me something. I'm not really sure why. I'm gonna have to ask her. Oh, she did a wish. Okay. Okay, so she won't mind if I read this to you. She says, "Hey, my friend, there are some stickers for you and Kaya. A Sharpie for her and a backpack buddy. Love, Pam." Aww. So, yes, this is my wish. I wished something for my daughter and then some straws. Oh my gosh. She's gonna love these. Look at those. Okay, let's see if I can name them now. Why do I always forget her? And she's like the main character. Pinkie Pie, Fluttershy, she's my favorite. Rainbow Dash, Apple Pie. Is it Apple Pie? Rarity. Oh my gosh! Hold on one sec. My daughter scolded me. Okay, Twilight Sparkle. God. Applejack, correct? Okay, so yes, Applejack, not Apple Pie, Applejack. Alright, so I got them all but Applejack and Twilight Sparkle. I don't know why I can't remember her name. Oh my gosh. Aw, look how cute. My daughter's gonna be like, she's trying to turn me into a girl. I love it. Those are super cute. Oh, look at these. These are adorable. Those are super cute. Love, love, love those. Oh, and lots of stickers in here. Oh, look at that. Unicorn power. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, and some little butterflies. I love those. Let's put those back in the bag so I don't lose them. Oh, look at that. That is super cute. Super, super cute. Oh, look at that. Love them. Oh my gosh. Girl, my daughter's gonna steal every one of these. I'm telling you. Well, not these. I won't let her take those. Oh my gosh. She's gonna flip over this. Look how adorable. Now, if she can just start school. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some little secret thingies in there for her. I'll go through my stash and see what I can put in there too. I know I've got some things that I could give her. Oh, how cute. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright. And look at these. That is very cool. I love those. Oh, it's got polka dots and stripes. Love those. And then the black and white. Very, very cool. Very awesome. Pam, you are a sweetheart. That is way too much. My goodness, how fun. Alright, I got one more. Actually, it's been 15 minutes, so I'll probably just, because it's a pretty big box, so I'll probably do that in another video. But, so I'll leave, yeah, I'll do that for another video, because we're already 15 minutes in. So, excuse me. I'll let you guys go, and I will see you guys on Friday. Maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do, you guys. I have not been feeling good. I'm already a week behind on videos, so I apologize. But I hope you guys have a good rest of the week, and I will see you guys next time. I love y'all. Bye.